Welcome back to another episode of Easy Peasy Labeling with me, Melissa. Today we're using the LW-PX750 to create self-laminating labels. Now, as you may know, we do offer the self-laminating tapes in 2 sizes, but the LW-PX750 only accepts the 1-inch size. So we're going to go ahead and use that, and I'm going to put it in the printer and turn it on. All right, now the printer knows that I'm using the self-laminating tapes, and it's going to prompt me to enter the length. For this label, I need a length of 1 inch. So I enter in 10 and press return. Okay, so now I can go ahead and enter in my text. Now for this application, what I need is a couple of ground labels, and I'm going to add a symbol on there as well. Now the ground symbol happens to be on the keyboard, so it's right here. You can see it in this amber color. So I can actually toggle the keyboard on to be a symbols keyboard, and I do that by pressing the button here. So I'm going to do that, and then I can go ahead and tap my ground symbol, and it's going to put that on my label. I'm going to turn it back into a standard text keyboard, and I'm going to enter in the rest of the word. Perfect. Okay. Now, I need multiple copies of this label. So if I just push print, it's only going to give me 1 copy. To print multiples, we're going to use the Shift and the Print key. So I'm going to press and hold the Shift key and press Print at the same time. I'm going to use my arrows to go up to Print Copies, press Return, and then set the number of copies to however many you want. For this, I want 5. So I'm going to press return, and then I'm going to press return again on start printing. Perfect. I got all 5 of the labels I needed. Now I love that they're using the half cut feature, so they're cut separate from each other, makes it really easy to pull them off, and then I'm not chasing around individually cut labels. So that's creating self-laminating labels using the LW-PX750. If you have questions on this printer, self-laminating labels, or any other application, we would love to chat with you. Thanks again, and happy labeling.